Could you tell me your name, please?
My name is Abby Metz.
And why are you here?
I am here because I'm a mother. And I think seeing mothers with their children who have been fleeing Ukraine, or those who haven't been able to leave Ukraine, has really touched my heart and has made me feel like I need to do something. I feel like I can identify with those mothers, and I certainly would hope that if I were ever in a situation like that with my children, that other mothers around the world would come to the help of me and my family.
Thank you so much. Are you first time here?
Yes, first time volunteering today.
I'm hearing that you came with a friend as well, right?
Yes, yeah. So I'm actually the leader of an organization of young women from our church. So we have about 20 girls that are aged 11 to 18. They couldn't come today because, of course, they're all in school. But they have been affected by the crisis in Ukraine. And they've seen the news and they want to do something to help. So we reached out to see if there's something that they could do. So they couldn't come here today because they're in school, but I could. So I came and I brought two of my friends who are also mothers and who also wanted to help here today. And hopefully we'll be able to bring the girls to help with something later.
Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
For your effort as well. Thank you.
Thank you.
My name is Tracy Zier.
Okay.
I'm from Stony Plain, Alberta. And my lineage is all Ukrainian. And I've been raised with Ukrainian customs and appreciation for helping others and making the world hopefully a better place. Yeah. And
This is first time for you here in this warehouse?
No, it is the third time today. Third time. Yes. And we are sorting items so that it's easy on the other end when it arrives to Poland, so that it is easy to know how many items, what items, perhaps even the brand if that is included on the box. And so this way it'll help to get items to where they need to be more efficiently.
Could you tell me, are you following news from Ukraine? Are you getting them?
Yes, I do. I follow from Amigo Missions Ukraine. I follow on their emails and posts, and also a young Ukrainian girl that does a blog that is also with that charity as well. So I follow along there. And also my cousin has family from the other side that is right in Kiev and other villages and stuff. So I'm following through my cousin who is in touch with people right on the ground in Kiev and also in villages around.
Thank you so much for your time.
Very welcome. Thank you too.
Hello, my name is Pat, and I'm here because this is very, very close to my heart. I think about this, about our people in the Ukraine every day, every minute of the day, practically. And I'm very happy to be here to help to pack and organize all the supplies that the beautiful people outside the cities are donating to send to the Ukraine. We want to fill the plane up. And my parents are both Ukrainian. My dad came over when he was only 10. And so my whole family, we're Ukrainian people, heart and soul. And my husband helped to build a church, the Holy Cross Parish.
Wow.
So we're very proud to look after our heritage.
And helping each other. That's
and
important.
we're helping, yes, we are. And this is a good setting to help each other and to remember why we're here. And we're hoping that this will make a difference for everybody in Ukraine, and especially for the little children. Sorry.
No, that's really sad.
And yeah, thank you
Thank
for
you so
allowing
much as
me.
well. Thank you so much.
Okay, you're very
Thanks for
welcome.
your time. Thank you.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Nice to see you, ladies.
Nice to see you.
You don't mind to tell your name and the reason why you're here? I'm seeing that you came with a young boy here as well.
That's right. This is Beckett. Can you
Hello.
say hi?
What's your name? Sorry?
Bucket.
Wow, wonderful. And you came with your mommy, right? To help. Thank you so much for coming. So I will ask a couple questions your mother, right? It's okay to do that? Okay, I will do that then. Thank you. Hello. Hi, ladies.
Hi.
So,
So we just wanted to come and help out today. Just do a little bit of something from here to show that we care.
first time here,
It is, yeah. It's our first time.
but not the last one. We need lots of help.
That's.
We'll be back.
We'll be back.
Well,
for sure.
Thank you. Thank you so much for your
Thank
time and
you.
effort. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah.